Hello, I am Coach Cassandra Lee, and I am the Master Teacher and Coach with Cassandra Lee Coaching, which is an online coaching platform. For the past year, I have been bringing all of my coaching programs to an online platform. This is I would say this is the third course that I brought to this online platform, and I'm really excited about it. This course is entitled Creating an Effortless Life in 7 Days. And I have been teaching this principle for the past 10 years. And I'm really excited to bring it to an online platform. And I hope you will enjoy it as well. So let's get right into it. The Creating the Life in Effortless Life in 7 Days is a course that is centered around or on the law of least effort universal principle. The law of least effort universal principle. And the first time I read this principle or this universal law was in a book by Deepak Chopra, and it's called The Seven Laws of Success. And the book was very enlightening, but the law of least effort really stood out to me more than anything. So I decided to study it and see how I could apply that law to my life, how I could build principles around it. And I did it and I journaled through the whole process. And then decided to teach it as a course. And I love it. I love every part of the course. I actually love working with the individuals who enrolled in the course and gave me some really wonderful, amazing feedback about how the course really changed their lives. So I hope that you all will have the same experiences with learning the law of least effort and how to apply it in your life over a 7 day period. Okay. So let me very quickly just read to you the law of least effort because I think that's a great way to start. So the law says nature's intelligence functions with effortless ease, with carefreeness, harmony, and love. And when we harness the forces of harmony, joy, and love, we create success and good fortune with effortless ease. Love, love, love the law. I just love it. It's amazing. And let me tell you what stood out the just really embodied me when I was reading the law. When it breaks down nature's intelligence. So what is nature's intelligence? Everything, right? The tree is intelligent, I'm intelligent, the flowers are intelligent. It's all intelligence, right? Um, and how being a part of this divine intelligence, we are designed to function with effortless ease, with carefreeness, with harmony, and with love. And it is important that we understand that we have the power within us to harness the forces of harmony, joy, and love. And in doing so, we actually get to create success and good fortune. And we get to do it with effortless ease, which is what I love about it. Because for me, it's all about how do I make this easy? How do I do this thing called life? And how do I do it without feeling like it always has to be challenging and difficult, right? Okay. So that is the law of least effort. And we're going to jump right into it and talk about getting grounded, which is our first core concept or our first principle. And this is the first thing we practice on day one. So day one is all about getting grounded. So, what are the core concepts I want you to learn in day one? Each student has been provided with a workbook, and it is a digital workbook, and you can also download it, print it, and work from there as well. But what I want you to learn in your workbook is as you work through every core concept, I want you to read the concept, and then I want you to go to the next page, which gets into this is how you practice the concept. And then I want you to do reflection work on every day or every evening. Okay. So let's talk about getting grounded. That's our day one. The core concept I want you to embrace in getting grounded is when you're getting grounded or allow yourself to get grounded, you allow yourself to begin each day by looking for ideas and opportunities that support who you are becoming. Okay. So you begin to think about who is it that I really want to become in this life? And how do I align myself with those things? Okay. Life is not about forcing things. So, in this space of forcing, we like to call that chaos and confusion, right? So, when you're living a life of effortless ease and carefreeness, of course, you're not forcing things. So, that's a extremely important principle to remember when you're getting grounded. Do not force it. Allow things to happen as they happen. Ask yourself, how can I serve in this situation? There are going to be situations in your life that's going to come up while you're going through this next 7 days. And I want you to just pull away as you're learning how to get grounded and ask yourself, how can I serve in this situation? Okay. To harness harmony, we must be willing to change the atmosphere through deliberate thinking, feeling grateful, and creatively expressing. Right now, I am creatively expressing. I am a teacher. I teach universal laws and principles. I share ideas with individuals on a daily basis on how to change and transform their lives. And that allows me to creatively express myself every day. So we must always look for ways to express ourselves. And then finally, the universe knows its job, okay? Your only job as an intelligent being in this universe is to be aware, to be open, and to demonstrate through the opportunity that is present. So these are some core concepts I want you to remember as you're working through your workbook. Okay, so let's talk about how do we practice these core concepts. Your daily practice, I want you to try to start each morning with what we call a check-in. Check-in, how are you feeling? Before you jump out of bed, just do a check-in. How am I feeling? How did I sleep last night? What is it that I want my day to look like? Just do a quick check-in before you get moving. The next thing I want you to do is when you're doing the check-in, I want you to become aware of your thinking, deliberately create the day you want to manifest to show up today. Agree to take cues from the universe. That's like my favorite part. Like, look for the very subtle messages from the universe and everything around you. Learn to take cues. Um, the last 5 minutes, agree to align with every experience in your life as an opportunity. And be sure to end your day with a reminder. And my daily reminder at the end of every day is, every experience in my life is an opportunity to create the life I want. I am open to receiving all good today, in this moment, and throughout the day. You get to choose, create, and write your own reminder on how and I should say the reminder is really designed to pull you back into alignment. When things come to you throughout the day that will take you off of your focus and your whole concept of getting grounded and staying grounded in your idea of yourself, your belief, and the things you want to manifest today. Things are going to show up in your space. Your reminder is something that you create and you can refer back to that helps to pull you back into alignment. Okay. The other thing I want to share with you all is every core concept or every day that we do this work is going to end with a reflection period. And when you work through your workbook, you will see that you'll have a page called Daily Reflections. Okay. This is what I want you to remember when you're doing your daily reflections at the end of the day. It's usually done in the evening, right before you're ready to go to bed. And what I want you to do before you lay down um, is to ask yourself, what experiences did I have that challenged me today? And then I want you to think about the triggers. What triggered you today? Was it a person? Was it a situation? Was it a belief? What triggered you today? What did you do to regain focus? So, what was your reminder that you set? How did you regain focus on what you wanted to manifest that day? What opportunities did you take advantage of today? There are opportunities all around us that allow us to show up and be our best selves. So, what opportunities did you take advantage of? You didn't even think about what opportunities did I miss, right? And then what seeds are you willing to plant this evening? Extremely important, which is why I really, really, really love this work. So, I want you guys to pull out your workbooks and start to do the work. And as you work through it, think about the things that are coming up for you. And when you're ready, go on over to day two, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.